Because it comes in a pod of 3, you count it by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, this okay. 8, 9.
9,
Right.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5.
5.
So that's 1 dozen plus 3. 1 1/4 dozen ackee.
Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be taking the head, or as some of you guys don't know, it's the seed part, out, and I'm going to just leave it like that.
Yes, because we're cooking ackee and saltfish.
Jamaica's traditional, no, it's #1 dish.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so that's a piece of saltfish. I put more in this or just that? Yes, this is enough saltfish. That's just 1 dozen ackee left. So I'm going to get my ackees boiling right now, and I'm boiling the saltfish in a separate pot. It's very salty, trying to boil out some of the salt. So that's going into a little pot to boil, and then the ackee is going into this pot over here. Get some boiling. I boiled out the saltfish. I think I get out most of the salt. Now I have it in some cold water soaking, but it's time to join the ackee in the same pot. Whatever salt is left in it will just be good enough for the ackee, so I add no salt. Pour off the boiling water from my ackee. This ackee took about 25 minutes to cook. And the saltfish. Now I'm going to strip off the skin. It's still very hot, but I'm going to just get it into some cold water. Once I get some cold water in it, I hope I should say, then I'll be able to work with it, okay? Making breakfast for dinner, right? Ackee and saltfish. Here, if you notice, I have onion, tomatoes, and sweet peppers, hot pepper, sweet pepper, I said that already. Hot pepper, sweet pepper, onion, tomato. Yeah, and I'm frying that up to go with some real Jamaican ackee. Now I'm going to add some saltfish that I boiled and remove the bones, and now tear them up in pieces. Pour the ackee in, and I've been stir frying this for the last 2 minutes. Next thing I need is some black pepper, right? Yes, black pepper is good to taste up your ackee, so I'm getting some black pepper over in there. Okay. It's Friday evening now. Right? Oh well, me have one dumpling left when I go put in. Okay, remember, I can get it in my pot. No. Yes, dinner for breakfast. No, breakfast for dinner. So already fried plantain, fried dumpling with ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. Perfect Friday evening breakfast dinner, right? 2 cups of Milo tea, ackee and saltfish. This time it's with fried dumpling and fried plantain. And that was my dinner, guys. Thank you for watching. This is me and Ozzy's dinner. The kids are at a Friday evening young people forum thing. But I'm home and we're having breakfast or dinner. Follow us for much more, or subscribe for much more of these amazing cooking with your girl Dion. Thank you so much for watching.